In animation, you know that you can create keyframes to create motion. But just because you have keyframes doesn't necessarily mean that the motion is realistic. Even if it's a cartoon you're animating, you still need to convey some kind of weight, some kind of inertia that shows speed gained and, the effort it takes to reach a speed or to slow down. Well, fortunately, we have the ability to use something called easing to help us with that. And we have the ability to right-click on a keyframe like so and choose Keyframe Assistant and one of these easing options. We have Easy Ease, Easy Ease In, and Easy Ease Out. That's pretty hard to say 3 times real fast. So what do these guys do? Well, with Easy Ease, what happens is it applies it to a frame, and you'll have one of 2 things happen. The animation will slow down when it approaches the keyframe, or it will speed up when it leaves the keyframe. For Easy Ease In, what happens is when it applies it to the frame that you have selected, it will ease the speed and then slow down the animation when the frame is approached. And for Ease Out, what we have happen here is that to the selected frame, it will ease the speed coming out of the frame, and it will start slowly and then stop when it reaches a faster speed. So let's go ahead and just try this. I'm going to play it as it is, and as you can see, there's no indication of speed. It just starts slow and ends slow. Pretty boring. So I'm going to go to the first frame again, and I'm going to right click on this guy, and I'm going to apply the first one, Easy Ease. Notice the keyframe shape changes. Now let's see if we have any difference in our animation. Notice how it took a little more time to get going up to speed. And I'm going to apply Easy Ease In on the last frame, and let's see what we have here. Really, the best way to learn how these will affect your keyframes is to experiment. So in this case, we seem to have a slow ease in and then it slowed down before it got to the end. I'm going to change this last frame to Easy Ease Out, and let's go ahead and try it again. So it slows down, speeds up, and then as it comes to the end, it slows down greatly. So as you can see, just using these effects, you can apply a little bit more realism in your animations so that your objects show that they are taking some effort to get up to speed and even to realistically come to a stop by slowing down first.